Hello, Advik and Advai. Let's wait for 2 more minutes for Advik Panchapula to join.
Okay.
Okay, I don't think so. He will join. So we'll start with wait.
Ma'am, sometimes Advik joins late.
I hope the screen is visible. Will be visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah. So today we are going to talk something about subject-verb agreement. Okay, what is this subject? What is verb? And what is this agreement? Do you have any idea on this?
Ma'am,
Subject is the main word of the sentence. Verb
and what is the action?
agreement is the choice of a person.
Yeah. So this website is an official website of University of Melbourne. So they have given this format of subject-verb agreement. They have given notes for this. It's an official channel of University of Melbourne. So what is this, subject and verb and agreement? As you said, subject is the main part of the sentence. Verb is action words. Action of the verb. Sorry, action of the subject actually. For example, he is playing. So, for example, here, we'll say, yeah, he is playing. So, playing will be verb in the sentence. That is going to, who is playing? He is playing. So, he will be the subject of the sentence. So, the verb basically, talks about the subject's action. So, now, we cannot just like that say. So, can I say, Advik Singh are playing? Can I say Advik Singh are playing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Say that, no? I cannot say that. For example, wait, we'll open a PPT also side by side. So can I say Advik are playing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Or can I say they is eating?
No, ma'am.
No,
Why
ma'am.
no?
Ma'am, because
Because there is a
R is a
plural.
plural and is a singular.
Is singular. Is singular. Is
And
used
R
for
is
singular, whereas are is used for plurals.
Yes.
Okay. We all know this. This is nothing but, the subject, when the subject is singular, I want to use accordingly the verb. Advik is only one person, so I can use only singular verb. But both are and is both are verbs only, right? Both are helping verbs, or we can say they both are verbs. But
yes.
I cannot use them wherever I want. We have some certain rules and regulations for that. Advik are playing is wrong sentence because Advik is singular. The subject, when the subject is singular, your verb must also be singular. When the subject is plural, your verb will also be plural. Okay. So what is this called as? Can I tell like there is an agreement between the subject and, between this
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
agreement between the subject and the verb? There is an agreement, no? There is an agreement between subject and verb. Subject will say, hey, verb, if I am singular, you should also be singular. If you are okay with that for this agreement, I'll be with you. Correct? It's kind of that, no? So when the subject is singular, subject is expecting the verb also to be singular. When the subject is plural, the subject is expecting the verb also to be plural. Correct?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
So this is an example. This is an example of the subject verb agreement. So there is an agreement between subject and verb. There is always an agreement between subject and verb. So we will see detail on this website of Melbourne University. So these people have framed set of rules. So if you see here, they have first explained what is subject verb agreement, and they have said about some 5 rules of that, and they have given some tips also. So we'll see one by one what is this. Yeah. In English sentence, the verb chosen must agree with its subject in form and meaning. Learn simple rules about subject verb agreement to help make your writing clearer and more accurate. What is this subject verb agreement? So as I told you, the same thing they have told here also. Subject verb agreement means that the subject and its verb must both be in singular or plural, as we discussed now, right? A singular subject takes a singular verb, plural subject takes a plural verb. Okay. In the following examples, first identify the subject and verb, then see if the verb agrees with the subject in plural or not. So shall we try? So we have, okay. First, we'll start with Advik Singh. John lives in France. Is the sentence right?
Yes, ma'am.
John lives in France. Is the sentence right
No,
or wrong?
ma'am. No, it's not right. Yes, ma'am. If If the subject is singular, we'll add s after the verb, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is one of the rule. Everybody should note down. When the subject is John, when the subject is singular, in some certain cases, you will add S form in the verb. Before we saw, whatever we saw are helping verbs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Those are helping verbs. But now we are talking about literal verbs. We are talking about literal verbs. John lives in some dash. So when I talk about that, John lives in Canada, for example. So I cannot say live. Whenever the subject is singular, when the subject is singular, add yes to your verb. So add an S to your verb. So S form of verbs. These are called as S form verbs. Your verb should be in S forms like lives, eats, sleeps, or like walks. Yes forms. Yeah. So in this sentence, the first one is wrong. The second one is right. John lives in France. Yeah. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See the third one. The argument is sound and well supported. Is this sentence right or this sentence right? Fourth one right. The arguments is sound and well supported. The arguments
Ma'am, the
are.
fourth one is sound. This right. Ma'am, the fourth
One is right. Why the fourth one is right?
Ma'am,
Advik?
because the helping verb is changed, ma'am, in the third one.
Yeah. So yeah, Advik Panchgula. Why the fourth one is different?
Again, you say, ma'am.
Why the fourth one is correct and not the third one?
Ma'am, the fourth one is correct, ma'am.
Why it is correct?
Ma'am, why? Because arguments.
Yeah, come on.
Ma'am, we should add S for arguments.
No, I'm asking, is the third one right or fourth one right, Advik Panchgula?
Fourth one, ma'am.
Why fourth one is right?
Ma'am, it's plural, ma'am.
Plural. Where plural is there?
Arguments.
Okay, so when arguments is plural, you have to use the verb also as plural in the plural form. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why the fourth one is right. Okay. So when I change the sentence like this, the argument are sound and well. So now, Chiranjay Anand, tell me, is the
Yes,
sentence
ma'am.
is in correct form?
The argument are. Ma'am, I can't understand your handwriting. The
I can't get.
argument are sound and well.
Yeah, is
No,
this correct?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, no. Okay, leave it. Advik Panchgula, do you think whether it is correct or not?
Wrong, ma'am.
Why it is wrong?
Ma'am, in arguments, S are not. Ma'am, S is not there, ma'am.
Okay, so if S is not there, so what can I do? I should not add yes, so I should change verb accordingly. So what can I do?
Yes, ma'am.
What can I do?
Ma'am, is, ma'am.
Is.
Ma'am,
You
you
can put is. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So that is the analysis. Now coming to the 5 rules about subject-verb agreement. So now we are coming to 5 different rules. the rules are like you have to follow this rule in each and every line. When you follow this rule, mostly you can avoid the grammatical error. So this chapter is very important for in both writing as well as speaking point of view. So if you learn this, if you are very good in this subject verb agreement, you can speak good English. So most of the people are having problem in subject verb agreement. It seems to be very easy. So when I ask you some questions, it seems to be very easy, but when it comes to talking or when it comes to writing on your own, you might not even know that I did mistake here, right? So you have to know these 5 rules about subject verb agreement. Okay, now coming to 5 different rules. First rule, listen very carefully, please. Subject, singular subject joined by the word and are generally plural. See this. Both the art teacher and the students enjoy a student-centered approach. See here, the sentence you have to see once. Sorry, I got an important call. Yeah. So singular subject joined by the word and are generally plural. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See this line. So what is given in this line? First of all, both the art teacher and the students enjoy a student-centric approach. So if I am changing this line to the teacher enjoy a student-centric approach. Okay. The teacher enjoy a student-centric approach. Is this correct? Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this correct or wrong? The teacher, you leave this sentence, now concentrate in this sentence. The teacher enjoy a student-centric approach. This is correct or wrong?
Ma'am, it's not.
Ma'am,
It's wrong.
ma'am, it is correct.
Correct.
No, ma'am.
Just now we know whenever it comes to be a singular, the verb
Yes,
should
ma'am.
have the S form. So then
Yes,
how
ma'am.
should be correct? This is wrong.
Yes,
So I have to
it is
add
wrong.
here. No, the teacher enjoys a student-centric approach. This is correct now. The teacher is singular. Only one teacher is there, no? Singular. Now, see this sentence. Both the teacher and the students enjoy student-centric approach. So, Why it is enjoy and not enjoys? Because you have something called and. Both the art teacher is singular, students is plural. They both combine to form plural. And that's why it is given enjoy, a student-centric approach. Yeah?
Ma'am, I understood.
Do you think it is right, first of all?
Yeah. No.
It is right. No need to think. Okay? This is right.
Okay, ma'am.
So whenever you combine two words and you have an and, you can use, verb without s form. That is the meaning of this. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, see this. The indefinite pronoun, someone, anyone, nobody, anybody, somebody, nobody, one, either, neither, usually takes a singular verb. You have to remember this, children. So wherever I can say, right, somebody has splitted there. Somebody has spitted over there. Somebody has taken my eraser. Anybody know the answer? Like that. So whenever someone, anyone, nobody, anybody, like these kind of words come, you should use the verb as a singular form. Take this sentence for example. No one likes to fail at university. No one. Actually, if you see, no one, what is the real meaning of no one?
Singular.
No, no one means not even one.
Ma'am, it is wrong.
Ma'am, it means not a single person.
Not a single person also. When group of people are there, we will say no one likes to fail at university. It means we are mentioning a group of people only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We are mentioning a group of people. No one likes to fail at university. Take this as an university. Who will be there in university? Number of students will be there. So many number of students will be there. So no one means actually targeting the group of people. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But still it is singular. Correct?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is like that? Because the word is no one, not even one. Not even one. So it means it is singular. It is indirectly telling it is a singular verb. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So we use like.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
everybody want to sing. Everybody want to sing. Is this right or wrong? Why?
Ma'am, it's wrong.
Why it is wrong?
Ma'am, everybody, it will be singular and want is written, it will be wants.
Yeah, it should be wants, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because everybody is considered to be a singular. Now my question is, flock of sheep is wandering. Okay, I'll write it in the new name. Flock of sheep is wandering.
Ma'am,
This
herd of sheep is
flock of sheep wandering.
flock
Ma'am,
of sheep.
it's correct, ma'am.
One. Ma'am,
Flock
what
of
is
sheep is
that?
wandering.
What is?
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
correct.
is.
Yes, ma'am. It is correct, ma'am, I think.
Flock of sheep is wandering. Whether it is right or not.
Ma'am, it's right.
Ma'am, it is.
Think and say.
Ma'am, it is.
In
Using ma'am.
Ma'am,
It's wrong, ma'am.
it is wrong or right?
Wrong.
Ma'am, wrong.
Confirm wrong?
Confirm.
Everybody?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is right, ma'am.
Okay, actually the sentence is right. Why it is right?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
because
only
flock of
one
sheep
group, ma'am.
is
One group, ma'am.
because the flock of sheep means there have too many of sheep, ma'am, in the field.
Flock of sheep means a group of sheep.
Ma'am means plural.
Ma'am, only one group, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. A flock of sheep means number of sheep. I'm agreeing with that. Number of sheep. But I am making it as a group of people, no? Like a group. So this group is considered to be singular, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to understand in this way. So flock of sheep is group of sheep. I'm agreeing with that. But I am making it as a single group. For example, CSK won the match. CSK means so many players are there in CSK.
Yes, ma'am.
But
That's
we are
CR7.
once the match. We are not saying once, no. We are saying won the match. Right?
The match.
CSK is a group of people, but we are giving a name for that group. So this group is considered to be singular.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. And ma'am, if one contains the wants, ma'am, it would be like for example, ma'am, CR7 wants the match. Ma'am, it is wrong, ma'am, because we use that as ma'am in the wins, ma'am.
Yeah.
Like CR7 wins the football match.
One is past tense. So we no talk of that because one is past. So you cannot say once. You can say win or wins. Only wins. You can use these two words. You cannot say once. Once is a wrong word because it
Ma'am,
is a
not
past.
once. Wins.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
it could be only one, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, in this sentence, it will be only one.
One. Yeah, it will be one. If I tell once, it's wrong. There is no word called once. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
In this flock of sheep is considered to be, so these kind of thing is called as collective singular nouns. Collective, you can say collective nouns. These are called as collective nouns. Collective nouns means group of something, and collective nouns are considered to be singular nouns. Singular, they are singular nouns. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Same logic applies here also. No one, everybody, everyone, someone, all referring to some group of people only. I agree, but they are all belong to one group, so they are considered to be singular only. Correct?
Yes,
So here,
ma'am.
flock of sheep is one is right. You should not say are. You should say is only. Now, did you understand people who said wrong answers? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next rule. Noun used with quantifier. Noun used with a quantifier. Quantifier means telling about the quantity of something. Okay. See the example. Some, any, all, most can be singular or plural. This depends on whether the noun is countable or uncountable. Let's see the examples. Some of the policies were structured while list others were approved. Okay, policies are plural countable noun. Plural countable noun. Some of the research was conducted at the University of Melbourne. Research is an uncountable. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it in the first sentence probably it's countable, and in the next it's not.
Yeah, correct. So you
Because
see here,
some of the research.
some of the policies here I can count the policies. These policies are countable noun. Yeah.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
second one, if you see, some of the research was conducted at the University of Melbourne. Research is something noun, but it is an uncountable noun, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uncountable noun. Can you give me any other example for uncountable nouns?
Ma'am, give me some sugar.
Yeah. Butter, ma'am. Yeah. You can say blood, or you can say food, furniture. Butter, ma'am. Knowledge. Yeah. Rice is good for health. Rice is good for health. Here rice means only one rice.
Uncountable.
No, we are saying rice means lot of crops only. But we are using is. Why we are using is? I should use rice are, no? Rice are good for health. Why I am using is? Because rice is an uncountable noun. Correct. We can't count the rice. No, it's very small. Is rice countable?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Air is air are pure. Is this right sentence? Air are pure. Is this right sentence? Yeah, tell me. Air are right. Air are pure. Did you understand the sentence first of all? Air are pure. Yeah, tell me the answer. Air are pure, whether it is right or wrong.
Ma'am, it is incorrect.
It is incorrect. Why?
Ma'am, because in place of we have to put is.
Because air is a uncountable noun, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Air is uncountable noun, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next rule. So did you understand this rule?
Yes, ma'am.
When it comes to plural countable noun, you use where. I mean, you use the verb. The verb will be plural. So what is the rule actually? Whenever you use plural countable nouns, your verb should be plural. Whenever you use uncountable noun, you use singular. Singular form. This is verb. Remember, this is verb. You use singular verb, plural verb and singular verb. Yeah? And we
Yes,
saw
ma'am.
an example of this. Air is something uncountable. Rice is something uncountable. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now, next rule. After a subject joined by either or nor or not only, but also the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Listen to this very carefully. Neither the lecturer nor the students want to schedule the class. Neither the lecturer nor the students want to reschedule the class. Why this is want and not wants?
Ma'am, neither means that it's singular.
Neither means singular. Why logically you tell me why it is singular? Because lecturer, what is the sentence actually telling here?
Yes, ma'am.
Lecturer as well as students, both of them don't want the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. The Meaning of this sentence is actually neither the lecturer nor the student wants to reschedule the class means they don't want to reschedule the class actually. Both of them are not willing to reschedule, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Neither the lecturer nor the students mean both of them are not want to reschedule the class. So you cannot say wants here. You should say want to reschedule. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Want is right. And see. Give me any example.
Ma'am, nobody is present in the class today.
What?
Ma'am, nobody is present in the class today.
Nobody is present. Okay. Nobody
Is present.
this nobody comes under this rule. It comes under this rule. So you should not use the word nobody. You see this neither nor or not only but also you have to either you have to use it this.
Ma'am, the weather is neither too cold nor too hot.
I'm not getting you.
Ma'am, the weather is neither cold nor hot.
Okay.
Ma'am, that is called autumn.
The weather is neither cold nor hot. You're saying like that.
Neither so cold nor so hot.
Ishan, be silent.
But there is no verb in that, no? The sentence, whatever you're saying. See this sentence. I'll tell you another sentence. Tell me whether it is not correct or not. Neither the teachers nor the parents are satisfied with the results. Is my handwriting clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me now whether this is right or not. That neither the teacher nor the parents are satisfied with the test results. Yeah, tell me, what is the difference between this sentence and this sentence? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am, in that sentence there is one singular noun, ma'am, and this sentence is all are plural, ma'am.
All are plural. Okay. Anyone else? Tell me.
No, I'm not getting that.
No, whether this sentence is correct or not. You tell me that first.
Ma'am, it's correct.
It's correct. This sentence is correct. Neither the teacher nor the parents, but here neither the lecturer nor the students want to reschedule. Here we are using want. singular or subject you are using, singular verb you are using. But here I am using are. Why?
Ma'am, because teachers and parents both are plural.
Teacher? No, it's not teachers.
It's teacher, ma'am.
It's teacher. Yeah, it's not teachers. This sentence is right. I'm telling you this sentence is right. This sentence is also right. I am asking you why it is here you are using singular verb and here you are using plural verb.
Ma'am, got it.
Yeah, think. Okay, take this as a homework and find the next class and come. Okay, why it is different. Now I'll give you another sentence. Okay, neither the director nor the cast members were happy. Whether this sentence is right?
Neither. Ma'am, what did you wrote? Neither the
Director. Neither the director nor the cast members were happy. You are using were here, not are. But here you are using are.
Ma'am, the word is singular, right?
What's the rule of this? See here, neither the lecturer nor the student want to reschedule the class. Bracket want agrees with students. Okay, it agrees with students. What is the rule? After a subject joined by these words, should agree with the subject nearest to it. Whatever the subject is nearest to it, it should agree with that. But if you see in that way, here the nearest subject is cast members, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The subject is direct and it can be cast members also. Both of them are subjects. So this, as per the rule, this sentence is coming to be correct. This sentence is coming to be correct. Last, cast members are plural. So nearest subject is cast members. So it is plural. So I can use plural verb here. This is correct as per my rule. But here if you see parents are plural. But
Yes,
then
ma'am.
not where and it is are. Sorry. It is are. Here also it is are. This is also right, no? Are is plural only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So parents means plural. It's a plural noun.
Yes, ma'am.
So are is plural verb, so it is agreeing, correct. But why not here? As per the rule, after the subject joined by these words, should agree with the subject nearest to it. Subject nearest to it. The subject nearest to it is for the sentence is parents. Plural. So you are using plural. Here also, the subject nearest to where is members. Again plural. So you are using plural. Okay. But why this sentence is different? If you see in this way, students is a plural. So subject nearer to this is plural. So I want to use here want or wants.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes,
So want means want will be used for what? Plural, right? Wants will be used for singular. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Students means plural. So you're using want. Want, if you add yes, yes will be added for singular. We saw here, right? Yes,
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be added for only
Yes,
singular.
ma'am.
John lives in Canada. Abhiram lives in US. They live in Canada. They live in. Don't use lives. They live in. We'll say they live in. So we won't use yes here because they is plural. Similar way. Neither the lecturer nor the students. Students is a plural. So we won't use wants here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
using want. That's why. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. We will end today's class.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
I'll give you some
Bye,
notes
ma'am.
on that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.